Here I have HUAWEI Enjoy 20 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. By tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can also access some of its settings. For example, you can switch it here. You can add a schedule for this mode here. You can add exceptions, for example, calls from anyone, from contacts only, from favorites only, or from no one. The same goes to messages. And there's also an option repeated calls. When enabled, a second call from the same person within 15 minutes will not be silenced. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.